A good morning routine can help with stress, worry, and getting things done. To get good sleep, you should try to wake up and go to bed at the same time every day. Psychologists say you should stay away from your phone and not hit snooze when you first wake up. Erin Engel, Society, a licensed clinical psychologist at Columbia University Irving Medical Center, says that a morning routine with a regular time to wake up, a healthy breakfast, and some exercise is a great place to start. Engel says that starting the day with more purpose can help you feel better about yourself and make the rest of the day more productive. Here are 10 steps you can take to build the perfect morning routine. However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. 1. Maintain a fixed bedtime and waking time. According to Engel, the most important aspect of any regimen is maintaining consistency. She suggests establishing a regular schedule for going to bed and waking up, and adhering to those times as much as you possibly can. This will not only set you up for a better day, but it also has the potential to offer you with a more peaceful sleep at night. This is due to the fact that maintaining a consistent schedule for waking up and going to sleep helps to set your internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm, which results in a higher overall quality of sleep. 2. Plan how much time you'll need. Engel suggests waking up with plenty of time in the morning to complete all of the tasks that have been assigned to you. She recommends beginning your planning process with the time of your first commitment, such as a meeting or the beginning of the school day for your children, and waking up early enough to accommodate all of your obligations. Depending on the number of responsibilities included in your morning routine, you may need anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes to complete. It's possible that engaging in each step of the routine with mindful attention will cut down on haste and reacting, while also boosting the sense of peace and pleasure that comes from completing the pattern. 3. Don't hit sleep. Hitting the snooze button is like getting off to a wrong start. It may feel like a victory in the short term to click the snooze button, but doing so has low usefulness in terms of advancing the objective of attaining rest over the long term. If you discover that you frequently hit the snooze button, Engel proposes rethinking your expectations of what may be completed by waking up early so that you have higher hopes for what you can get done. If your body tells you that it needs more rest, then you should probably adapt your schedule to reflect that. The recommended amount of sleep for an adult is between 7 and 9 hours per night. On the other hand, if you're hitting snooze because you're feeling overwhelmed by everything you have to do in the morning, or you're trying to avoid the day that lies ahead, Engel suggests that you get up and do 1 or 2 activities that bring you peace and enjoyment as soon as you can after you wake up. For instance, you may start your day by meditating on a few minutes, going for a walk around your neighborhood, or preparing a nutritious meal for yourself that you really enjoy cooking. 4. Get out of bed. Instead of staying in bed and scrolling through your phone for a while before getting out of bed, as much as you might be tempted to do so, Engel recommends that you get out of bed. The first thing you need to do is get yourself out of bed. The next step is to choose an activity to which you can give your undivided focus. This could be prayer, affirmations, a physical stretch, or even something as simple as brushing your teeth. You can become more resilient to the effects of environmental stress. Increase your capacity to deal with problems and better interact with the day that lies ahead by developing and sticking to a routine that works best for you. 5. Avoid your phone. Engaging with this kind of content before one is fully awake or out of bed may make it tempting to mindlessly read content, which may feel purposeful but is actually a passive activity. This could detract from the productivity of your morning. Scrolling through the news or your social media feeds is a passive activity that could detract from the productivity of your morning. 6. Try self-affirmation. Affirmations of a positive nature, whether spoken aloud or written down, can assist in the development of self-confidence, combat the effects of negative thinking, and even have the ability to improve one's interpersonal connections. You are free to choose your own positive affirmations, or you can give some of them a try. Asterisk, I am discerning, capable, strong, and charitable. Asterisk, I am deserving, thankful, and blessed to this life. Asterisk, today will be a great day. 7. Drink some water. Water, not tea or coffee, is the beverage of choice for beginning the day, according to Eliana Kaidanian, RD, CPT, a nutritionist who operates her own private practice. She recommends keeping a glass of water next to your bed and consuming 8 ounces of it as soon as you wake up. The digestion of the food you eat, the absorption of the nutrients it contains, and the elimination of waste products are all aided by water, making water a crucial component. 8. Exercise or stretch. If you want to lose weight and keep it off, doing your workout first thing in the morning can assist balance your sleep-wake cycle and may also aid in weight loss. To prepare your muscles and joints for the day ahead when you don't have time for a full workout, try completing a few stretches to warm up your muscles and joints. 9. Eat something within an hour of waking up. It is recommended that you consume food within the first hour of waking up in order to jumpstart your metabolism and break the fast from the previous night. Keeping up the fasting-like state for an extended period of time will slow down your metabolism, which could make the day ahead difficult. A greater metabolic rate, on the other hand, indicates that your body burns more calories as you go about your day, and it also has the potential to make you feel more energized. Consuming some food prior to engaging in physical activity can assist in providing your body with the fuel it needs for the activity. It is beneficial to have a tiny apple or half a banana, along with a handful of almonds or some natural nut butter. This combination is called a power snack. 10. Choose healthy breakfast options. When it comes to breaking your fast, the ideal options are those that are based on whole foods, which are foods that are in their original state and have not been processed. These meals should also have protein and fiber in order to satiate you and provide your body with fuel for the day ahead. Kaidanian suggests eating oats, fruit with yogurt, or vegetable egg muffins as some of the healthiest options available. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.